So onward to demo. Let me show you how this works in practice. So let's start by accessing and adding custom metadata properties. So there are two ways I can do that. One is on the custom metadata page, and the second one is import. So let's try the import first. I'm going to access languages, and here I'm going to upload the file I prepared with the keys coming with some of the custom metadata properties and values. When we proceed to preview in the file builder, the all custom metadata are recognized coming in from the Excel if the names of the columns are reflecting the name of the custom metadata attached to this project. But you can add any custom metadata field and change this setup as you like. So I'll try to ignore this column and maybe this one and proceed to import. The second way we can add custom metadata to the projects and specify them is via dedicated custom metadata page. Here you have an overview of all currently submitted properties inside your account. You can search by name, you can filter by project, and you can filter by multiple types to locate the custom metadata property you need. To add a new one, you use the plus new property, and here you can specify the name of the property, the type, optional description, and you can assign it to projects right away. But don't worry, you can always change the projects this custom property is assigned to by adding this in batches. Now, once added to the project, to add values, we need to go back to the project these custom metadata are applied. So if I open up an editor and I open up a key, you can see now that the file that is imported, it has a dedicated section now for custom metadata for this particular project in the contextual sidebar of the editor. And here we list all applied custom metadata for this particular project. Now, we can also apply a search for this. So if I apply a search in editor, I can search for a specific name of the property and say, okay, super, and find a key who has this value. So the name is the name of the property, and of course the value is Super Mario. In this case, I found it. This is also supported by the global search. Now, the last but not least, if I want to export these custom metadata keys and properties, I go back to the languages, and here I can select the language I want to export. I select the Excel file, and here we added a dedicated section where you can actually include what kind of custom data properties you want to download and export. And you can also specify a particular value that you want to get out from this. Yeah, and just click download. That is all for now. Hope you're gonna enjoy it as much as we did building it. So yeah, keep on phrasing, and yeah, we're expecting your feedback. Cheers.